In a momentous occasion, the Department of Horticulture, Government of Meghalaya, in collaboration with Meghalaya State Agricultural Marketing Board, successfully organized the flag-off ceremony of a 20 metric ton of Khasi Mandarin destined for Dubai. The Khasi Mandarin, known for its distinctive flavor and quality, is set to make its way to Dubai, showcasing Meghalaya's agricultural abundance on the global stage. The collaborative effort of the Department of Horticulture and the Agricultural Marketing Board reflects the government's commitment to promoting and facilitating agricultural exports, ultimately contributing to the economic growth of the region. Cabinet Minister Ampreen Lingdo congratulated the stakeholders involved and emphasized the importance of such initiatives in fostering agricultural sustainability and elevating Meghalaya's position in the global market. The ceremony not only celebrated the export of a substantial quantity of Khasi Mandarin, but also symbolized the collaborative spirit driving Meghalaya's agricultural success. The Meghalaya